Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add features and services in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here, add block, and let's just add features here, and we can also add services. And I think they're really similar. So when we have it, you're gonna see it here that you can just, let's change the colors of the buttons here. Nice. You can just easily edit it and change the text here. Also, you can add like more cards if you would like 4. I recommend aligning the text with the, so you have like all the buttons in the same row. Just edit everything here, and then you can like learn more. You can link it to another page. So if you're gonna create a new page where you talk about like no coding, or when someone click on no coding, you can be like set it up on different link, etc. And this is like also really similar, that you don't need to have like R shop, but you can write whatever, right? And just right here, click here, and just also edit the features here. It's quite simple, I think. So this is how you can do it. And I don't think like, what else should I tell you, because this is pretty simple, and it's creating a site in Mobirise is really easy. So this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, just ask me down below and I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.